Life is far from perfect, but we want your suit to be. So we set out to create the best suit ever made, integrated with technology and fitted in a perfectly designed package. Suits today are outdated. They feel stiff, limit your movement, they're a pain to pack, steam and clean, and to care for in general. Our goal was to change all this. That's why we created the X-Suit, a revolutionary new take on an outdated concept. We started by crafting a new standard in suiting fabric. With our specially developed nano stretch fabric and our further elasticized lining, the suit moves with you like one you've never worn before. This makes for a garment with an uncompromised range of motion, never before seen in a suit. We've removed the outdated button construction to offer an adjustable elasticized waistband, making it easy to slip on and comfortable to wear all day. The X-Suit's shell fabric is crafted with cutting-edge liquid repellent technology. It can naturally repel liquids such as coffee, wine, and even oil. Pouring water over the garment will cause a stain to simply slide off the fabric. Liquids that have already embedded into the fabric can be easily removed with a napkin. Our unique wrinkle defense technology delivers high-performance wrinkle resistance, so the suit can be packed and unpacked without a single wrinkle. This makes the X-Suit the perfect travel suit. Each fiber in the lining attracts, isolates, and neutralizes smells immediately, keeping the wearer fresh and dry. The X-Suit pants have also been fully layered with our lining for areas most prone to moisture. Our buttons and YKK zippers are made of durable anodized metal and have been reinforced with heat-applied thread. We've discreetly placed a total of 12 pockets throughout the suit and a large zipper pocket to secure your valuables. The X-Suit includes a premium chest canvas and Helsa imported shoulder pads to maintain the jacket's structure and mold to the wearer's body over time. Our Italian tailors perfected our sizing. We're able to give the suit a true fitted appearance without feeling stiff or compromising comfort. Our team has been developing the X-Suit for over 2 years to test and perfect every aspect of the design, technology, and fit. It is manufactured by our partner, a top-tier factory producing for luxury suit brands worldwide. We are 100% ready to go to market and just need your support to bring the X-Suit to the world. Our Kickstarter campaign will offer our backers a discounted price on the X-Suit and a first look at what is coming next. The X-Suit.